In this video, I'm going to show you all about the task setting window that some of you don't even know is there. Some versions of PrintExp, Hosonsoft, or DTF Station Pilot may not have all of the functions I'm showing in this video. Be aware that certain firmware, certain printer combinations, certain versions can change some features inside of it. To find the options for task setting, right-click on your print job and click Task Settings. In this window, you have a couple options. You have the opportunity to create multiple copies. So let's say you made a gang sheet that was 10 images, but you need 30 of them. You could just simply change this to 3, and you'll have 3 copies. Next one is region. This allows you to print just a certain section of a ripped gang sheet. Meaning, let's say the middle or the beginning of this gang sheet didn't print out quite right, but you don't want to reprint the whole thing. What you can do is simply either drag to the area you want to reprint, or you can adjust the Y position and the height. If you have a wide gang sheet and you just want to print a certain section of it, you just simply crop it like this. And now when I click OK, it shows I'm just going to print that section or that region I selected. Final thing we're going to cover is ink statistics. Now this may take a moment to load, and I can't guarantee the accuracy of this, but it'll give you a general idea of what inks are being used for this particular gang sheet. I hope this video helps you work a little bit faster, maybe a little bit more efficiently in PrintExp, Hosonsoft, or DTF Station Pilot. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more of these PrintExp Explained videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.